At sa nagbigay po sa atin ng video coverage sa gabing ito, si Councilor Richie Quadra. Sa lahat po kay Congressman Rex Gatchalian, kay Mayor Win Gatchalian, at sa Victoria Village Homeowner Subdivision and Tenant Association President, Madam Jolie Quiroga. Sobrang thank you po kami sa suporta at tulong na binibigay sa amin. Sa buong pamunuan ng sa Paris Pastoral Council ng Victoria, kay Brother Ed, Sister Marley, sa Mamuas, Sunday School, at choir.
Okay.
Tawagin natin
ang lahat po ng ating mga kandidata. May we call on candidate number 1, Mr. Jake Montalibano.
Candidate number 4, Mr. Carl Bernard Lanuza.
Candidate number 5, Mr. Jeffrey De Guzman.
For the female candidates, we have Ms. Joanna Marie Cruz.
Rayan Delphine.
We have candidate number 3, Justin Barcelos.
Candidate number 4, Jessica Fabilar.
And for the 5th candidate, we have Ms. Icy Jane Liboris.
Okay, for the final look.
Still, they are tabulated.
Malapit na po.
Sino ang bet niyo? We have candidate number 2 there.
Candidate number 5. Candidate number 4. Number 3. 4. 2.
We have 1.
4, 1, and 5,
Wow.
and 3, lahat. Ayan.
Kaya ka na to
Ayan, sige, mag-tabulate muna tayo hanggang sila nag-tabulate pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Almost winner, we have Filipino for judging, casual wear 10%,
Sportswear, 10%.
formal wear we have 10%,
For the talent, basic talent, at talent, 20%.
for the question and answer portion na ginawa natin, we have 30%,
Popularity, 20%.
for a total of 100%.
At ano nga uli ang ating mga award?
We have Best in Casual,
Best in Sportswear,
we have Best in Formal Wear,
Best in Talent,
and for
Popularity Award. At syempre ang ating mga major award, ang 4th placer,
we have 3rd placer,
2nd placer,
1st placer, and definitely ang tatanungin natin
Mr. and Miss Victoria
2010.
Ayan, mukhang okay na. O nagdi-discussion pa rin sila.
At mukhang kinakabahan pa rin yung mga candidates natin.
Mukhang may ano eh. Okay.
Meron pa silang banner dun, no?
Oo nga, dapat gumawa rin iba yung banner eh, di ba?
Muli, ang nanilikom sa
Candidate number 2, Mr. Jake D. Tolentino.
we have candidate number 3, we have Mr. Tirso Hatubay.
Candidate number 4, Mr. Carl Bernard Lanuza.
And for the last candidate, we have Jeffrey De Guzman.
And for the female candidates,
Candidate number 2, Ms. Ray Ann Delphine.
candidate number 3, Ms. Justine
For the
Verceles.
4th candidate, we have Ms. Jessica. We have here a special award. Gaya ng sabi namin,
Okay.
let's announce
Quiroga
our
and
President and for the Victoria SPPC Chairman, Brother
Edward
Edward.
Velasco.
And award for our
For the best in casual wear.
Let's announce first for the casual wear.
Okay, for best in casual wear, for the female category, we have candidate number, as represented candidate number 4, Miss Jessica Cabrera. Again, our best in casual wear for Mr. We have,
Jeffrey De Guzman
and
and
for Miss, we have Miss Jessica Cabulon. Picture. Level picture, jump picture.
okay, thank you, candidates. Okay, for best in sportswear, for the male candidates, for the best in sportswear, to be awarded by Miss Judy Quiroga and
Brother Edgar.
Velasco. Okay, for Mr. Best in Sportswear, candidate number.
For our male category for under best in sportswear, we have